Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate difference between two dates. See here I have given a table with the start date and end date. Both dates are there. Okay, now we are going to calculate the difference between these two dates by years, month and days. Okay, for that the formula we have to use is equal DATEDIF. Always the formula should start with equal. Okay, equal DATEDIF open parenthesis, and now the select the start date comma and the end date. Okay, comma, then within double quote you have to mention y to get the difference between these two dates in a year. How many years in within these two dates? Okay, for that I am mentioning within double quotation y and close parenthesis. Then once you press enter, see one is given as a result. See, from January 2020 to January 2021 there is only 1 year is there. Okay, so we have received the result as 1. So I will give you the next example for the second line. Equal DATEDIF open parenthesis start date comma end date. Okay, then again within double quote we have to mention the y because we need to get the difference between two dates with years. So within double quote I have mentioned y and close parenthesis and enter. Then the difference between these two dates with years will be given as a result. Okay, the result is 3. Likewise it will give for all the years, all the dates. Okay friends, now let's see for the month how to calculate the difference between two dates within a month. Okay, so the same formula equal DATEDIF we have to use and open bracket, then start date comma end date comma, now we need the result in a month, so within double quote we have to mention m. Okay friends, within double quote we have to mention the m and close parenthesis and enter. Once you press enter, the difference between these two dates will give you as a result as 12 because January 2020 from that date to until January 2021 there is 12 months is there, that is given as a result. Okay friends, once you press you copy and paste the same formula in other cells, see all the line will be filled with the month, difference between these two dates within a month. Okay friends, now we are going to calculate as a days. See here the formula equal DATEDIF open bracket the start date comma end date, and then within double quote we have to mention d. We need to get the result as days, right? So we need to mention within double quotes d close parenthesis and enter. See how many days are there difference between the start date and the end date will be given as a result. Okay, now once we press enter, see here 366 days is showing. Okay, now in the right side corner of the cell you just click it and double click, then the formula will be applied to another rest of the cells also. All the cells will be given you the difference between two dates. Within two dates how many days are there, that will be given as a result. Okay friends, this is how you have to calculate the difference between two dates. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel so that you will not miss out on any Excel related videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next wonderful video.